As of yesterday, April 3rd, 2020, CDC recommends wearing masks in public. And this is the one from CDC's website. So that's what we're going to do today, is making a cloth mask without sewing. Hello, this is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Today we're going to do a DIY a bandana mask, the one that you don't need sewing. So what we would need is a bandana and then 4 elastic ponytails. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold the bandana in half. So fold it in half, and then you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to fold it in half again. There you go. And then you're going to insert one of these elastic bands. There you go. And then another one on the other side. There you go. And then you're going to flip that over. You're going to put this one, fold it, and then this one, you're gonna put that one inside. So you're going to put that one inside of this one, of the other one. So it's like overlapping. And then pull this. But the problem now is this is too small. So you have 2 other extra strings. You're going to loop it around so that it would be longer. And then you're gonna put that one on your face. Okay. And then you're going to put it on your face. And then now you're going to be protected. There you go. That's how you're gonna make a bandana mask. And it's so comfortable from the ear. Thank you for watching. This is Carlo&Seb from Carlo&Seb channel. Have a wonderful day. Hopefully we've learned something for today's video. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.